Okay, so 8th class, listen me carefully. Listen me. I come in your class, we talk too much on different topics. You laugh, you enjoy the class as well while studying. But one thing is very important, always note. This time will go in from your life, it cannot come again. Understand? You are in 8th class. If you waste your time at your home, listen me. There are two kind of study we do. First, cramming, ratta marna. Second, proper study. If you do cramming, just learn answers. If you get 90% marks, you cannot get job in your life. Understand? In outside, means outside from our Jammu and Kashmir. If you go to Mumbai, Delhi, Punjab, UP, Bihar, over there, so much unemployment is there. इतनी बेरोजगारी है ना, you cannot imagine. Understand? Even people over there who are PG, MA, BA, BEd, they are working in some companies as a PN. चपरासी बने हुए वहाँ पे. Understand? So if you study normally, you cannot achieve anything. अगर आप normally पढ़ोगे ना, you cannot achieve. Study hard. Understand? Try to understand concept properly. Like you should have knowledge of tenses properly. Understand? You should have had knowledge of tenses. अब आपको ये समझ आया मैंने बोला you should have had knowledge of tenses. इसका मतलब ये समझ आया आपको. You should have had knowledge of tenses का मतलब आपको tenses की knowledge before my coming here you should have had. आपको होनी चाहिए मेरे आने से पहले. But it was not in you. You didn't have that. So it means whatever you were studying at that time, that was fake. Hullu. Fake means बनावटी था. You cannot really I am saying. So how should you study? आपको कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए? I will tell you. Listen me. First of all, your teachers are teaching you. Try to understand. Try to understand your lessons while at home. Don't only cram the answers so that you can write on your exam sheets and get passing marks. It cannot give you anything. Go at home. Open English first of all. Understand? Write topic on science. Understand? Write topic on science and get it checked by your teachers. If it has mistakes, correct your mistakes, and you can use phone of your mother as well. Don't parents are saying we cannot give phone to our children because they use them wrongly. Understand? But phone has so many benefits. You can correct your mistakes in Google. You can Google your mistakes. You can correct them. You can learn new words from phone as well. From YouTube, you can learn so many things. Right? Our interest is only in playing games. We only like video games. We like Instagram, Reels, Facebook videos they upload. Understand? No doubt it is very difficult to save ourselves from these kind of videos. But you must control yourself. Understand? You use phone for education. Understand? If you don't understand any science concept, for example, if you have water cycle, do you know water cycle? You know water cycle, no? If you want to know more about water cycle, go into YouTube. Open the YouTube video, understand water cycle, and understand, increase your knowledge in the similar way. If suppose math is there, if you don't understand any math sum, all the sums are in YouTube or not. All the videos are available on your every chapter of math. If you don't understand your math teacher's formula, try to understand, take the help of YouTube. Understand, solve that question by yourself. Load of time at home. If you cannot solve maths, this is my formula. Solve one question for 8 times. Then you will not forget that question and you will understand it better. So this is a technique. Understand? So learning by cramming is superficial, wrong learning. You cannot become doctor, engineer, scientist by doing this kind of study. Understand? I will give you one example. Before 20 years back, I used to meet one boy. He was in 10th class. Understand? His name was Amit, and he was studying in the same school like you have a school. and his school was smaller than your school, private school, and he used to go for walking at evening time. So I went for giving teaching to students. I was coming back from there, and I used to ask him some questions. He was in 10th class. Amit, tell me how TVs run, how our smartphone works. At that time there was no smartphone, but I asked him how phones work, how we use phone, what kind of formulas are used in making of phones or like that. He was giving me correct answers at that time. Now he is getting 2 lakh rupees salary from a university. He is working, he is teaching in university in this time. So in your lower classes, we can understand that Priyanshi can become doctor or not, Priyanshi can become teacher or not. If you do good in these classes, if you do hard work, definitely you can achieve a lot of success in your further life. Understand? So do hard work, don't waste time. I am telling you, because if you are getting 80% marks, you are happy. No, I am getting it. You cannot get anything. When you will go for job, lakhs of people, students would apply for 15 vacancies. There are 15 vacancies in government department, and 1 lakh people apply for that. And to get a job will be a very, very difficult task. Understand? Only those students will get jobs. They will have extra knowledge than that. They will have deep knowledge, correct knowledge. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you study at home, no doubt, but study properly. Understood?
Yes.